Welcome to Probuse, a leading provider of innovative Odoo solutions designed to simplify business processes and improve operational efficiency. We created this return material authorization module to make customer returns easier to manage by connecting customer portal RMA requests with sales orders, backend processing, and repair, scrap, or replacement resolutions. Customers can begin the return process directly from the standard Odoo customer portal, where they can access their sales orders and review their previous purchases. From the sales order list, the customer can open the required sales order and review the order information before initiating a return request. A dedicated Create RMA button is available from the sales order portal view, allowing customers to start a return material authorization request directly from the original sales order. This sales order-based approach helps maintain a clear connection between the customer's original purchase and the return request. After selecting Create RMA, the customer is taken to the dedicated RMA request form. Here, the customer can enter the required return information and submit the return material authorization request directly through the portal. This eliminates the need for customers to access the Odoo backend and provides a simple, structured way to communicate their return requirements to the business. Once the RMA request is submitted successfully, the customer receives a confirmation message indicating that the return request has been received. Customers can then access the My Returns section from the customer portal to track their submitted return material authorization requests. The return orders list provides a centralized view of the customer's submitted return requests. From this list, customers can open an individual return order and review its complete information, including the current status of the return request. This gives customers better visibility throughout the return process and reduces the need for manual communication just to check the status of a return. Now, moving to the Odoo backend, internal users can access the dedicated RMA management menu. This provides sales and operations teams with centralized access to customer return requests. From the return orders list view, internal users can review all available return material authorization orders and select the required RMA for further processing. Opening the RMA order provides the internal team with the complete return request information. Sales users can review the customer request, verify the submitted details, and manage the RMA through the available workflow. Because the RMA is connected with the original sales order, users can maintain clear traceability between the customer's purchase and the related return request. The RMA can also be communicated directly to the customer through email. Users can send the RMA request along with its professional PDF report, providing the customer with formal documentation of the return request. The module also uses Odoo Chatter to maintain communication and activity history. Users can review RMA confirmations, messages, activities, and other communication directly from the RMA record. This provides a centralized communication history and helps sales and operations teams keep track of important return-related activities. After the RMA has been reviewed and approved, the business can determine the appropriate resolution for the returned product. The module provides dynamic resolution options, allowing users to select between repair, scrap, or replacement based on the required business process. For products that need to be disposed of or cannot be reused, users can select the scrap option. The appropriate scrap action can then be accessed directly from the approved RMA. Users can create a scrap order for the returned product and manage the related scrap operation through Odoo. This provides a structured way to handle products that are damaged, unusable, or otherwise unsuitable for further use. For products that can be restored or serviced, the RMA can be processed through the repair workflow. A repair request can be generated directly from the return material authorization. The repair request list provides users with centralized visibility of repair requests created from RMA orders. Users can open an individual repair request to review the detailed repair information and process the returned product through the appropriate service workflow. This makes it easier for technical and service teams to manage products that require inspection, maintenance, or repair after being returned by the customer. When the appropriate resolution is to provide the customer with a replacement product, users can create a replacement sales order. The replacement order follows the standard Odoo sales order workflow. This allows the replacement product to be processed through the existing sales process while maintaining its relationship with the original return request. The module also provides professional RMA reporting capabilities. Users can generate the return material authorization document directly from the RMA order. The report contains the relevant RMA information and can be printed or shared with the customer. Users can also preview the generated PDF report before sending it, helping ensure that the return documentation contains the required information. The RMA report can then be sent to the customer by email, providing a professional and documented communication process. RMA information is also accessible from the Odoo customer form. Users can access customer-related RMA orders through the available RMA Smart button. This provides sales and operations teams with a convenient way to review the return history associated with a particular customer. Similarly, users can access related RMA orders directly from the sales order form. The Sales Order RMA Smart button provides quick access to all RMA orders associated with the original sales order. This creates a clear relationship between the original customer order and its subsequent return activity. Returning to the customer portal, customers can access their sales orders through the standard Odoo sales order menu. The sales order list provides customers with a centralized view of their available orders. Customers can open an individual sales order and access the related RMA functionality directly from the portal. The RMA Smart button provides quick access to return material authorization orders associated with that sales order. This makes it easy for customers to navigate between the original sales order and its related return requests. Customers can also access their return orders from the customer portal. The return orders list provides visibility of their submitted RMA requests and allows customers to track the progress of their returns. By combining customer portal access, sales order traceability, back-end RMA management, communication, reporting, and resolution workflows, the module provides a complete return management process. From the initial customer request through internal review and approval, businesses can manage the return using the appropriate repair, scrap, or replacement workflow. The complete process remains connected with the original sales order, customer record, and related RMA information, providing better visibility and traceability. This helps sales, operations, service, and customer-facing teams work together more efficiently while giving customers a simpler and more transparent return experience. With customer portal RMA requests, centralized backend management, professional reporting, email communication, chatter tracking, and flexible return resolutions, this solution provides a complete and structured return material authorization workflow within Odoo. Thank you for watching this overview of Probuse's Return Material Authorization Management Solution.